The following segment is sponsored by Ruprecht Realty. Buying or selling a home is one of the most complex financial decisions you will ever make, but thankfully Dave Ruprecht is here to share his best advice for home buyers. Welcome back, Dave.
Kari, thanks for having me back.
Oh, we surely love when you're here, Dave. Okay, what should a first-time buyer, where should we start? If we're thinking, okay, you know what, I want to sell my home and I want to get into a home, but I've never bought one, what should I do?
First thing we tell every client we come in contact with, talk to a lender. There's some really great lenders out there, and they will guide you to what you can afford, what you can't afford. There's no sense in looking at properties that all of a sudden you can't afford and you fall in love with it and you realize, oh, we can't do it.
Right.
That's just a big disappointment. It's a big waste of time for you, your agent, whatever is in the process. It's just tough to do.
Just tough to do. Okay, start with the lender. That's good advice. Okay, is now a good time to sell? What is your advice on that?
You know, when it comes to selling, it really is more determined on where you are in your life and what you're trying to do. I think a lot of buyers tend to sit there and go, well, let's wait for the interest rates to drop.
Yeah.
The reality is in Salt Lake, we've had an average appreciation rate of about 4.3, 4.4% over the last 20 years.
Wow.
So when you couple that with our average home price of above $600,000, that's $20,000 in appreciation you'll lose by waiting for a 0.5% drop in interest rate.
By waiting for that right time.
And that right time is going to save you $50 to $70 in your mortgage payment.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, how will we know how much our house is worth?
I love this question.
I do too.
Yeah. It's what somebody will pay for it.
Oh, there you go.
It really is just that
Yeah.
simple. Now, there are a lot of things that a realtor can do to make the house look better, to showcase the house, to market the house, to get as many eyeballs on the house, and that's going to bring you top dollar. And it's also going to ensure that it gets done in a timely fashion and it's legally compliant.
Yeah.
There are a lot of complexities with what we do, and you want to make sure that there aren't any issues that may come up either before or after the sale that might put you in legal jeopardy.
Okay, oh, this is really good advice, Dave. Okay, what are some things we need to do to get our house ready to sell?
You know, if I meet a seller that's interested in selling their home, the biggest thing I do is just walk through a seller's listing appointment, and we put together a whole portfolio of all the things you do. Basically, it's declutter the home.
Make it look nice and clean.
You have lived in that home, you've enjoyed that home, but now it's time to showcase that home for somebody else. And the biggest thing you can do is just take a lot of the clutter that's been there for 5, 10, 15, 30 years and remove it.
Give it that clean slate for the new buyers. Okay, where can we find the best agent and where can we go for more information, Dave?
Sitting on the therapy couch.
He's right here.
Right here.
Is there a website we should go to? Is the best way to find you?
Best way is RuprechtRealtyUtah.com.
Okay.
And that's how you find me.
Or catch him here on Fresh Living. Thank you so much,
Or catch me
Dave.
here on Fresh Living.
You give us great advice. We appreciate you. Great to see you.
Absolutely. Thank you.